So as you know, everyone is talking about meta ads these days. Run ads, scale ads, and grow your business with ads. But the truth is, a lot of people are just wasting their money on ads. And on the top of that, many businesses are hiring agencies or freelancers just to run ads for them, when in reality, this is something you can easily learn and do yourself. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run meta ads step by step, from creating a campaign, setting up a lead form, and running the ad. And then finally, I'll also show you a simple automation where your leads are automatically going into Google Sheets. So let's get started. So the first step is go to your ads manager. For that, you must have a Facebook account, and then you have to open a new tab and search for Meta Ads Manager over here. So you have to type Meta Ads Manager, and then you have to open Meta Ads Manager. Once you open this URL, go to Ads Manager. You first have to log in. Once you are on this dashboard of Meta Ads Manager, I'll just show you. As you can see that this is the dashboard, then you are ready to move on further. This is where you can create and manage all your campaigns. Once you are inside the Meta Ads Manager, click on this create button. This will start the process of creating a new campaign for you. Now, first thing is that Meta asks you for the campaign objective. So since we want to collect the leads, we'll choose it as leads. This tells Meta that our goal is to get the people to submit their details through a form. Once you select it as leads and then click on this continue. And now we can configure the campaign. A window something like this will appear in front of you. You can give the name to your campaign so that you can easily track it. So let's say I am going to keep the name as test over here. You can write according to your own choice. Most of the other settings you can stay as default for now, especially if you are just starting. Then click on the next to move towards the next section. Now this ad set is going to open. So what happens is, like, we create campaigns. Inside that campaigns we have ad sets, and inside the ad sets we have ads. Okay, so now let's move on forward, and over here you can ad set the name. So you can set the name of your ad set over here. The next is this conversion location. So over here you can select it as website and instant forms, and it totally depends upon you if you want to change this too. Okay, now let's move on further towards this budget and schedule. So if you are testing, you don't need a huge budget. Even 200 or 500 rupees per day is enough to start testing. Set your daily budget and schedule over here, and then move on further towards this audience. Now we need to choose who will see our ad. So this is where you define your target audience. You can select things like location, age group, gender, or interest. For example, if you're targeting business owners, you choose the interest related to entrepreneurship, digital marketing, or business tools. The key here is that you need to keep the audience relevant but not too narrow. Okay, just keep this in mind. So you can select the audience details right from here. You can select the minimum age, languages, and so on. Now let's move on further and click on this next. Once we're going to click on this next, it is going to open this new, which is ad. So over here you can change the ad name. So as you can see that you have to connect your Instagram and Facebook account. Over here I've already connected my Facebook page. It is very easy. You just have to click on this connect button and you can connect it. Now over here in the ad, you can simply upload the images or videos using which you are going to run these ads. As you can see on the right hand of the side, this is the ad preview. So I'm just going to show you. Like this, you can upload videos or images to run the ads. And over here in this, we're going to add a sign up form, which is a lead form using which we're collecting the lead details. For that, you first have to create the form. Okay, and in order to create the form, you have two options. You can build your unique form yourself or use an existing website form too. Okay, so first of all, you can enter the website URL, display link, and now let's move on further and see how to create the form. So go on this create form button, and from here you can create the form. First of all, what you have to do is you just have to name your form. So let's say I am going to name it as new lead ads. Now you have to select the form type, more volume, higher intent, or something like this. Then the flexible form delivery, and then you have to go on this next. Now if you want, you can definitely add the headline. So like you can say, hey, please fill out this form. So let's say you can add this headline, hey, please fill this form. So as you can see, like this, you can add the headline. This is just a test. Same goes for the description. You can add the description to over here, then go on this next. Once you come on this next, over here is the main thing, which is the questions. So you can ask the questions over here. So I'll suggest you just collect the basic details. Don't make this form too complicated so that leads just skip it. You just have to add some basic details, like I've added this full name, email and phone number. If you want, you can definitely add more details. Over here you can select the details, go on this add category. You can select it from contact fields, user information, demographic questions, work information or national ID number. So I just want to add the city too. So I'm going to go on this contact fields, look for the city, and I'm going to add this city as a question over here. Okay, so now I have a total of 4 details or 4 questions in this form. Now let's move on further. Over here you have to enter the description too. So let's enter it as same, please fill this form. Now let's move on further, go on this next. Once we're going to come on this next, over here it is saying link and link text. So when this form is going to finish, they are going to send a link, or you can say they're going to display a link at the end of the form. So let's enter the link of my company, or you can say website URL of my company, so which is www.pabbly.com/connect. Now let's move on further and click on this next. Once we're going to click on this next, as you can see over here is all the details. Let's just wait. So now before we end and publish this form or save it as draft, I'll just let you know that if there's an error in any of this one field, the form will not be created. So go on that field and like this, as you can see, I just skipped the description before. So this was mandatory, so I just entered it over here. It is mandatory, so you just have to enter it. So I just kept this as the test only. Now let's go towards this ending, and you're going to find 3 options: previous, publish and save draft. So if you want to publish this form, click on this publish and publish the form. If you want to just save it for now, just click on this save draft, and it is saying all drafts are saved. So yes, this form is saved, and I successfully told you how you can also create this form. So let's just close this for now. Now you're going to see we have successfully learned how to create this campaign. After you create the form, you can successfully publish the campaign, and it is going to run perfectly fine. Now here's something important, that now the leads are coming in. We know this, okay, but how are we going to nurture these leads? Because what happens is everyone is using Facebook lead ads or Instagram lead ads, or you can say collectively meta ads, to get leads for their business, but not everyone is using automation to automate these leads. What you can do is you can simply add these leads into your Google Sheets. So whenever you're going to receive a new lead from meta ads, instantly the lead details will be added in your Google Sheets. So useful, right? Your sales team can directly contact them through this sheet. They don't have to go towards the dashboard of meta ad managers and collect the lead details. They can directly get it right over here in this Google Sheets. Also, you can add the lead details in a CRM, send an automated WhatsApp message to your leads or an email to your leads. How? Using automation. So as you can see, I've already created this automation where whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, instantly the details will be added in this Google Sheets. And same you can create for Instagram too. It is very easy and simple. You just have to connect your Facebook lead ads or Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect as a trigger. For the action, you have to select new lead instant, connect Facebook with Pabbly Connect. Once you click on this connect, what you have to do, go on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Make sure your Facebook account is logged in, okay, and then you just have to give permissions, continue, click on this continue button, and your account will be connected. After you connect this account, what you have to do is you have to select the page name and the form, okay. So from here you can select the page name and the form, and then click on the save and send test request. Then you have to create a test lead, and once you capture the details of that test lead, you just have to add it in your Google Sheets, and the automation is created for you. And if you want to learn in detail how to create this automation, I'm going to attach the video tutorial in the description box below. This tutorial was only focusing on how to run meta ads. Complete tutorial it was. So you know how are you going to change, because when a new leads come in, most people just manually download the data, but you can make it easier like this. And if you want to learn how you can get to this workflow builder, then you have have to just open a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Once you're on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you're going to see two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, click on the sign in, log in inside Pabbly Connect, come on the dashboard, then open your workflow builder. Okay, but if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. What do I mean by 100 of tasks free? That you can add up to 100 of lead details to your spreadsheet, or you can send automated WhatsApp message 100 of times for free to your leads. And yes, this is very important if you want to test automation, right? And once you test it and if you like it, then you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. But first, try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using the special discount coupon code, which is RITYT. So why automation matters? Because running ads is just one part of the system. The real power comes in when you combine ads with automation, because once everything is automated, your leads can be stored automatically, sent to CRM automatically, used for follow-up messages. This saves you a lot of time and help you to scale much faster. So that's how we can run meta ads step by step and also automate your leads collection. If you want to build these similar automation for your business, you can check out the resources I've added in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And further, if you want more automation tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.